Hello, good morning, student. Dear student, I am going to teach you next passages of the lesson, the enemy. Listen and watch the video carefully. Yesterday I had discussed that certainly Sadao agreed and I would not think of doing anything else. Sadao and Hannah are discussing regarding of the prisoner who has injured. They were thinking that what will they do of that man if they if Sadao and Hannah to take of the prisoner in the house, the servants will query about him, but there is no any other way about them. So certainly, if Sadao agreed, I would not think of doing this. Or they are thinking about their position. Sadao is saying to Hannah, I am thinking about your position, about the children, or else of it, I would not think of doing anything else. Thus agreed. Thus means thus agreed. Then agreed means samatwa. Together they lifted both Hannah. Together means Hannah and Sadao lifted the man. He was very light. The weight of the American war prisoner was very light, like a fowl that had been half starved for a long time because he did not take food for so long time. So that the weight of the prisoner was so light until it is only feathers and skeleton. The only remaining part of the body is only skeleton. It means he was very lean and thin. His weight was very light. So his arms hanging. His arms, the arms of the prisoner were hanging. Hanging means लटक रहे थे. They carried the prisoner up the steps and into the side of the door of the house. This door opened into the passage. जिस रास्ते से वो the door opened into the passage, and down the passage they carried the man towards an empty bedroom. Hannah and Sadao carried the man towards in the empty bedroom. It had been the bedroom of Sadao's father, where they where Sadao and Hannah carried the prisoner. The room belongs to Sadao's father. ये रूम सदाव के फादर का था. When his father has died, जब उसके फादर मर गए थे, and since the death of Sadao's father, it had not been used. The room had not been used till since that day, since today. तब से लेकर के आज तक उन्होंने वो कमरा यूज ही नहीं किया. They laid the man on the deeply. Sadao and Hannah laid the man on deeply matted floor. They laid the man floor. Everything here and been Japanese to please the old man who would never in his own home sit on a chair or sleep in a foreign bed. Hannah went to the wall cupboards. And sealed back a door and took out a soft quilt. Hannah brought a soft quilt for the prisoner. She hesitated. Sana was hesitated. हिचकिचा रही थी वो. The quilt was covered. The quilt was covered with flowered silk, and the lining was pure white silk. The quilt was purely white silk, and it was also lining quilt. She covered the American prisoner with the quilt. He is so dirty, she murmured in distress. Sana was in the distress condition. हताश से हो रखी है. And Sana was murmuring, वो बड़बड़ा रही थी. She is murmuring, वो बड़बड़ा रही है कि he is so dirty. Dirty means गंदा. The American prison was so dirty. He was wounded and the blood was running here and there. It means she is saying he is so dirty. Yes, he had better be was Sadao agreed. He is so dirty. It is better to wash him. If you will fetch hot water. Sadao is telling to Hana, if you will fetch hot water, I will wash. I will wash him. सदाओ सना से कह रहा है अगर आप गर्म पानी लाती हो तो मैं इसको धो दूँ. I can't bear for you to touch him. Sana said to Sadao, I cannot bear for you. You will not touch him. I will not bear. I cannot bear. We shall have to tell the servant. Sana is saying to Sadao, we shall have to tell the servant he is here. They will wash him. I will tell Yumi now. She can leave the children for a few minutes. Sana saying that Yumi can leave the children for a few minutes and she can wash him. Sadao considered a moment. For a moment, Sadao thought, and let it be so. ऐसा ही हो. He agreed. Sadao was agreed. The suggestion by Hana. You tell Yumi and we'll tell the others. Sadao told Hana, you will tell Yumi and I will tell other servants of the house. But the utter pallor of the man's unconscious face, the man was in an unconscious conditions, moved him fast into stoop and feel his pulse. His pulse was running on and it was faint, but he was totally unconscious, but it was here. He put his hand against the man's cold breast. Sadao put his hand against the prisoner's cold breast. The bed heart too was yet alive. It means the heartbeat was going on. He will die unless he is operated on. Sadao said, if we will not operate him, he will die. Considering him, the question is whether he will not die anyway. Hana cried out fear. Hana was feared and cried out, don't try to save him. Hana is saying to Sadao, don't try to save the prisoner. What if he should lie? What क्या होगा इफ ही शुड अगर वो जीवित हो गया तो व्हाट ही शुड लाइव कह रहा है कि व्हाट इफ ही शुड लाइव अगर वो जीवित हो गया तो क्या होगा व्हाट इफ ही शुड नॉट डाई सदा रिप्लाई व्हाट इफ ही शुड डाई और क्या होगा अगर वो मर जाए तो ही स्टॉप्ड गेजिंग गेज मीन्स टू लुकिंग हना स्टेयर लेंगी घूर करके देख रहा है चक लगा के अगर मर गया तो क्या होगा डाउन ऑन द मोशनलेस मैन on the motionless man. This man must have extraordinary vitality or he would have been dead by now. But then he was very young, perhaps not yet 25. Sadao is telling to Hana his age not more than 25. He is a young man. You mean die from the operations? Hana asked. Yes, Sadao said. If I will not operate him, he will die. Hana considered this doubtfully, and when she did not answer, Sadao turned away. At any rate, something must be done with him. Sadao is telling to Hana, something must be done for the American prison. He said, and first he must be washed. First of all, we must be washed of the person. He went quickly out of the room, and Hana came, bathed him. She did not wish to be left alone with the white man. Hana did not wish to left alone the white man. He was the first she had seen since the left America, and now he seemed to have nothing to do with those whom she had known there. Here he was her enemy. The American prison was the enemy of Sadao and as well as of Hana, or the men living or dead. They were carefree. The person can be live or the person can be dead. They have no any tension. She turned to the nursery and called Yumi. But the children heard the voice and she had go in the for a moment. Hana heard the sound of her children and for a moment she go for a moment to them, smile at them and play with the baby. Hana was playing with her baby boy, now nearly 3 months old. The age of the baby boy was 3 months old. Over the baby's soft black hair, she motioned with her mouth. Yumi come with me. Then Sana told me, come with me. Dear student, listen and watch this video carefully. Try your best to understand of the lesson step by step. Thank you.